Mamo akwaba kese bi mfamra Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia wo kansi ho sempa esa kana no pen so ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekon content coding small do esa kana no pen so bi o e Ghana agudiem ejao ka kire busuafo na fofo yere wo ma wo fasefo na na mukrumo eno mprafo nyina se prof meginam ayede nkomode de ebrel ewo Ghana agudie mu sene so ma me say game park games e the eagerly anticipated pick one game netin aba arrival with the bank momode da so do betia sa gym draw no ba so e Adom TV so anopa awia ne anwumre it when the anopa betia de anwumre when the anwumre so betia de awia na boa maniama etia koye de ma game park games dial star 946# na fa ho gym all networks so ana kingdom eba the Kingdom Garlic Bitters and after Kingdom Garlic Capsules aba was set to make a bit boa build immune system no the Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules so be jaw e memedru and also set to make a boa adwuma best no hwero ha na akiri na still gusu gina na so a o boa adwuma tremendous capsules in fact this medicine works tremendously e man adwuma momodian da son sabetia ka be candidates fita white na so di po na chewa e do prapra himfio e samfiri ho mehuda okroje senyankunsu momodian da son sabetia ka be Kingdom Home Estate the quality affordable and afin so edan ya mano modern touch and ebro modern say odo ni betia sachem ekropon right after Lata Junction on sabetia ka Kingdom Home Estate to betia from 0536149961 0536149961 na on a Kingdom Home Estate yeni so yehwemwa emanema 822 infama madama bo na etechira bo amena no penso yedi a kensi ho sempa saka 8 major a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step pension sempa for EPL English Premier League and American 17 no Everton and Crystal Palace chenkomo kakra fi Spain and yedi age and but yentin to UEFA Champions League and matches na 8 santo so uninterrupted the live commentary bebrel e wa Adom 106.3 FM na fa sempa 94.7 FM tia na we shine na wati commentary power ba sha no smam say Inter Milan and Atletico Madrid and Ebishia na fi PSV omne Dortmund so dia kense netia boss we UEFA Champions League match a bit ato fem no and yede won komo so ejao but sha no smam say the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana so our kense ba ko domanima omne Zambia for and this kense kense ni betia sa pem so me no ka say the team no e train our class sports studio Monday afternoon we akataban so and sha say some dia was see 18 sapem so we at the third round Olympic qualifiers game here board na fe dia prapem pramadwade na the Copper Queens of Zambia and dia kense ni betia sapem so na okuma Nora Hotel ono any bonifita the very first expatriate okita my team ewo Ghana ha no na otimi sampa so far in terms of qualifiers they were yet to meet 8 teams womo ayo sintawe no mabene ewo African female football mu na nkoma ono so ade agani
aya hodo dum wotwe ene de dikan no ombepie nkrampopo ni mantem ha go pa makese ne so a ahosesie no omede pemso maame Nora Hamtel osene ni abere pa Olympic Games yi aya na dine so my Ghana yamba ya ne beje pene akogina mu asi akan nti Zambia kense eba Sofia da ne de ekwan bia so obakoma twebodi de afriwiem na oman no akonani ene omo hwani se maya aka ne nyina ba be ka ho a camping beboma na hosesie no atoa so na doctor omo camp no kire se epra bia nokura baya bia e wo camp omo hwani mu se beko se ya se ne be ya efiada ebo no onumu a referee bepo na ben na Black Queens maya no ene Zambia edi apomu
the way Sergio Manichu na mani board fi Black Queens of Ghana campaign team send the jaw okwa class possible and crane chese as a ECG for ko disconnect yo we minister na ma ACL ko ka na be 400,000 Ghana cedis and chese akoye ka chinchine ne da ho a umu 2020 no class possible we hwim sim say virtually a hopeless place anesa e was na ma ACL ko no newly appointed technical director for the Ghana Football Association Professor Minta ono so akasa akra dia fasina dwedi ababedi no ABC ako
I see I would like to live is to see a Ghanaian playing like a Ghanaian. And what I mean by that is that we possess to attack, we possess to defend. We transition based upon the principles of play and then the moments of the game. So we should play good football, both attacking and defending, and still be getting the results. And that is where I want to see Ghana to be at by the time I leave this seat as the technical director of the Ghana Football Association. Since I took over as the director of coaching education, the standard has changed. And I keep telling people, if you want to see real good football and you want to see how Ghanaians want to play, go and watch our local.
Professor Meta from University of Cape Coast. And I order and come to your basis on a 10 card for the Ghana Football Association. So, be future soon, dear, Utum San Pablo for Sember Dawson. Our technicalities or Ghana Football Association for catching to be a and can come on to name and Chibia Ghana football. Ebe fan in Tama Pefra. We know Bosha or also Eddie Abba. But former Ghanaian international guest in a handful. And so I Kasaka Kanina and say, Nano a fiada and a Ghana near branch fence Rafael Jamina. Sabrante 2 goes to his credit. Our Blasters are catch out to example. Bobo Blasters no. Na Onya Barsa, former Jewish striker, November 2023, and a papai, a collapse wa Gomaswa, a Kobase, or Famu, a Shredenkwa, na Ohe, Rafael Jamnadia, na Bako Semchese, na Kumano, and want to Chimaka Kra, na we and our guest nine for them Kuma Christian Sabase, Rafael Jamna, as a 20 year old medical po, and good teen, a doctor for catcher and Nibia, or retire cry if he sports him, and Kenny Ugusotiase.
Medical practitioner who has studied and knows exactly what your body needs. So it's got nothing to do with faith or Christianity for that matter. You think you have to make an informed decision for yourself. Like I said earlier on, I don't know if it was pressure from the family, because at least he played a few years out there. Maybe he has his house, you have your small money in the bank. If he had stopped, life would have continued. He could have been a coach if indeed he loved soccer so much to still be in the game. But like you said, maybe fate has brought him where we are. But if he had probably taken another decision, he will still be here with us. But he's no more with us, so I can only advise those who are upcoming.
To Augustine Ahemfo, former Blasters player, and Alternate Kase, or then Kumo A2 Jano. Augustine Ahemfo, 90 minutes was so Jinam Hunye Fie. Very neat player, but was Rafael Jamana as a GDA into no wrestling Messi Costa, Dr. Fonia, my debarbar, and Kukuhono, and Nakuma Wina, Wawani Nato say, Radetiase, Yamabiti and Sanquid, Yaman and Inti, and Augustine Ahemfo, so can say faith, GDA, and the Naku baby, a dear, let's say Yasam Cassie, Inti Ubia and Fantun Hofu. Young Kuma, a class of folk phobia, never say that I should look at the cananum 11, 11, 19, 11, and it is Abu Buku, much a year pa. Now can't trust them now. Bible said, and Metusela grew, next when you need Sauka, Unia Padibia, or the Jumedia would no, and I'm supporters not at yet to Yamoso, Nina and said, and Ramubun to Sansan, from a brass sport, and Kama Medokuno, FBI ho, now Omdo Meditan Sachili Krum, co presenting petition, Edema, executive board chairman, to be appended the 14th. Now, almost one can answer as I say, Western Nema is your course now, as and Kessel so conanimo, as on Naticona Chimu, but Nipa Bienua, you ask Monaticona chair. And it's one more to Coquenra, one more and common ebony.
Dr. Hota Makralaja can be essential to tell my baby. Bema baby, I made it now. I'm a time of focus on proper. But still, I'm a crop man. I'm a walk out. And the back on the outside compared to the Tosha. Then you would be. And the other day, you mark as I said, and the money I am for ADM. Then you bought for France and you're from Kayano. No less of club.
Yeah, you watch our facilities, but over can you do a time? She says to be a Yabobia near struggle for religion. It means the same route to the Afan. I don't know who I see happening. I say the position. Now, open phone it me and me. And just say, yeah, and I say you will do the other. And I say, yeah, perhaps to be your person to be like as a watch up on who's what it. Say the TV museum or a TV museum. As I say, walk up the president. Say that country to save it. Oh, yes, from Lodi Sandra, as to one way up.
And there's as a full supporters, no, and Matia Tuma Motino. You don't come out, council to say just Sabia Bones and Yama Asia Coso, no more addings in former Kumakubesi do, and a Kuja to be a feather the 14th for no, and executive airboard chairman Edema Club no faster than Yama Asia Community Passe or Tuato Adjane Airboard Manamati to 2 years, a beco years in sea, and into on fat. Now, Massima Como can say to Yankasa, to the to say her has board in the soir, Utum Sampa, Metusela phone coin, and also Msabre. nti we hwe ne bia no mti nhimudi ase kra na na ene ntonkodi o mo fa anye hwe nti obesere se ebeyi sankofo ina dia fio na komaton sade afre e border o mo kita fresh limbs mrante agese o madwene nso ebo adwuma pa moja hyew na mo de beboa emaniema etia koye eno pa ho no o mo san ko mu hwe se na niema esi ekoso a o mo che supporters na ka o mo ewo slot ewo board na kache ase san hyehyɛ no ya scrap no etwitwam nti o besere se enei ya ma supporters leadership no ensamra board no so no so form contributions efa supporters ne se mo ka no emra board no so na moa emaniema etian kue fa mo weni nse bebrebe ana o mo chair ya nra o mo edikoja the executive board chairman of Accra of October after the 14th na nikasem na so hwesinema esi ekoso sempen for be adwuma no emre ene krabia ene betia kire Achimota cricket over enso ho emse wonko hoda unam Achimota kasa wo hwe cricket over na baby ebo cricket na nye stadium ho frɛ ho cricket over nti ya na wahye no so de mame na first ever men and women's competition cricket competition beba so 2023 African Games is slated for March 8th till 23rd of March and betia sabaso afimu na ukoma na say less than 20 days na kick off na etia sa hyase na playing field any other facilities no hwese na esitia na say enhyeda anye krado emfama sa competition we ana Sergio Manucho hwese na esitia na say osiposide kotebekani ono so ekomu ahwese na esi ekoso no no de won komo hakra agya e afa Achimota cricket over no
Achimota over eka biaye ho a African Games no omanfo baje penie agina wasi akan eho ene biaye yesi ho se cricket no emra so nanso aka nefu ahodo dun wotwe na games ya hyase won kran ha no mo a abesi ne eho no yanwie ye twenye cameras ekopie mu ho ene pedinfo kodi nkomo a omo kire se ebre ne tia wo mo pa naso nyade omo da omo de eka ebeto eka so se na ebe ya emene kaka akai omba bere o mogani na bia ya ebebo ho cricket no aya krado epanyi na ona president edema Ghana Cricket Association no owura Kwame Asare ene akasa ya oso owura wehemu se bia ya ebe krado ansana games no ashase.
You seen here is work that have been done over at least the past 2-3 months, and the rate at which is going, we are hopeful that the contractor will deliver as he says. So we are here day and night hoping that everything is put in place for us to be part of the African Games, and I'm hopeful that just as he says, we'll be able to complete the thing on schedule for the games to start.
O papa ne dia de fangai one Zimbabwe ni okan adwumayefo a omo bo adwuma wadre e wa Achimota over honom na bia ya amrante e begina honom na cricket akansi omo de apomu no aye krado.
Hoping closer to the games will be around 90 to 95% just to get it ready, especially on the outfield. It's a bit bumpy. There's just a little bit of rolling that needs to be done, and to try and encourage all this grass to grow a little bit more so that we get it ready. So I think from where we are right now, 50 to 60% of the work that has been done, I think it's really right in good direction.
Nti Achimota cricket over no and you're ready for African Games ye de bepem so Ghana ha no March 8th and kopim 23rd of March and between Sambaso, but still and you're ready hon komo and out is Sergio Manucho, the revolving and oscillating reporter Adom Suko na ode won hye kakran so etwen seja Shanusmam say Mediama Sporting Club any elali ebebo omo last game of the CAF Champions League no na sa akensi beba Sukuma se baba Sports Stadium Musi Samapa Kanini Heroes Park chese ne omatwentwen kwan so kakra omo ehwenim se sa match Ghana fo nyada ebebo support na boa ema omdwumadi omudi no niama etia koyi ediamon me no ekase nso no de womo ene hyehyɛ etia sa ba se 2025 AFCON calendar no ka fon payfo ani FIFA fon payfo konakra na enra omagya atum se nyame adoma Morocco fo ana ebe hostu sa kese no na ohwema 8 lowest rank air clubs no ana bedi kan abo prelims no Somalia, Djibouti, Sao Tome and Principe, Chad, Mauritius, Nafi, South Sudan, and Nafi Liberia, and Eswatini. The best chance in Tombowia, Nafi teams are Pabeno, Omanium Edia Quatin Times, we AFCON, a Bebaso Morocco in 2025. Medusia, na Madawase, Mama Mo, and Within the Prof EK Wallace, a good catch back open of General of course. Evidence-based representation to Majao. Game Park Games added the eagerly anticipated pick one game number. Arrival with the bank, Momodianda, Ucha, a 1 to 36, and our best letter numbers in the film. Now, Udia, Ucha, Ubeti didn't be full, a star 946 hash. All networks now, Uduha Jim, draw the basso, Adom TV, so fee Monday and Copim Sunday. Kingdom Herba at the Kingdom Galibites, the Kingdom Galley Capsules Haba, was not the new Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules, Memedruno, Bob Boy Jumajo chairmanship, after tremendous Capsules Sebois, and my mana him Fiono, Yama etoboko at the mom. After Kingdom Home Estate, and Papa Pano, your boys are by Sebenyado, and they Agis Cafia Brofor, Yina, Ubia Eto, Air Kingdom Home Estate, and Papa B, a well cropon right after Latte Junction, was said to make a bit of for Kingdom, L 0536149961. Now on a Kingdom Indian South. So I feel Opekotoko Jesse Papa na Shebox Matwa Oba at the front desk of multimedia. On Sabit me aka Jesse Papa Paibi na wetin sato na odi atai kotoko echi na boa emaniama akwi. Within the Prof EK Wallace good day catchy. The act of being a good guest is to know to say good morning.